welcome back. Well, guess what? It was a warm day across our viewing area. Again, we had that warm front move on through overnight last night, so temperatures topped out in the lower 80s today. 83 officially here in Hattiesburg. 67 was this morning's low. We have had some showers and thunderstorms around the viewing area. Get a slight break in the action this afternoon. Fortunately, going to start to fill back in over the next several hours. Just under a half of an inch of rain. If you add that to yesterday's total, we're sitting at right about an inch here in Hattiesburg. Lows for tonight, cooler than last night. Temperatures will be in the mid to lower 50s. Winds out of the south-southwest, 5 to 10 miles per hour. And where's that cold front we've been talking about? Yeah, sitting right there. You can see it just moved through Shreveport. This is actually a low pressure center right here. So this is the warm front. So this orange and yellow is moving back to the north and to the east. This is the cold front. And it's a pretty stout cold front. Now, I want to show you two different models of what we're looking at. This is one of our high-resolution models as far as rainfall is concerned overnight tonight. You can see as that cold front approaches, we're going to have increased shower and thunderstorm activity. Now, this would mainly be as we go into the early morning hours. So later than 3:30, of course, we have one single line that shows moving on through now. We have another one moving on through as we go into tomorrow morning, tomorrow midday. And that's where we do have a very marginal chance of some severe storms as it does roll on through. Now, right now, it's looking relatively small. Damaging winds would be the main concern along with this. You can see what it's going to do to our temperatures, though. Knock them down right near 60 degrees, upper 50s and mid 50s to the north and to the west. Down to the southeast, places like Little Creek and Wiggins, you could see mid 60s. Winds will be out of the northwest, picking up 10 to 15, upwards of 20 miles per hour. That would be a gust, especially as these storms roll on through. Speaking of storms, again, what we're looking at right now, we've had several scattered batches try and move on through. The main area, though, again, is out to our west, just now moving into the northwestern corner of the state. Some more moving into Arkansas and Louisiana. Again, all ahead of this next cold front. Until that cold front gets here, we're going to have and keep that chance for showers and thunderstorms. Now, this is our little coarser resolution model, but as we put it into motion for tomorrow, again, this is still bringing that first round in early this morning, or excuse me, early tomorrow morning, and then the full round again through tomorrow right about midday. The good news is it's moving a little bit quicker, so we could get this out of here by trick-or-treating time for all those kiddos. And rainfall totals, we could pick up another ½ inch to an inch after all is said and done. Of course, we've been talking about this cold front, has the name cold in it, so guess what? It is going to get chilly as it moves on through. We're starting to see the low, that kind of reinforcing shot move on in from the northwest, and we have plenty of moisture sitting over our viewing area. Still has a few flash flood warnings down to our south and to our east. And if we zoom on out, we can start to see some freeze watches and freeze warnings along the northern corner of the state. Good news is, about the first week of November, we should be a little bit warmer than average. So we'll kind of do a little bit of a 180 after we get this cold weather out of here. So we'll get this moving on over to our 7-day forecast, which of course is brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates. And again, as we go into tomorrow, temperatures are going to be not too bad. It's still cooler than today. It's those overnight lows Thursday night into Friday where temperatures are right near freezing. And unfortunately, we're going to stay near freezing all throughout your weekend. And we'll finally start warming back up as we go into the first half of next week.